don't stare at me. It's not working like that. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Okay, this will take forever. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Happy Friday. It's Christmas Eve today, and me and my boyfriend, we just checked into Airbnb. It's super cute. I show you guys around soon. We really like it so far. It's pretty cute and it's all we need. So you enter the door like here, and then you have like a beach thing here. This is my camera bag, little couch. There's the bed. So this is the bed and the closet. So it's really cute. There we have the bathroom, and then big TV. We already have like our setup here. Here you see Mel.
What's up?
What's up? Eating. Then we have a little setup here, and this is the kitchen. We already have like some dishes from the morning. We will go and check out the beach now because I'm really excited how it looks outside of the building. We just saw it last night and it was already dark, so we want to check it out now. And then we do some fun stuff with family. I mean with his family, but
Fun stuff. We just go to my grandma's house.
yeah, fun stuff. We go now.
Anyways, so we're at the beach now, and we're gonna go check it out because we heard some good things about this beach. And yeah, let's go walk this boardwalk, huh? Let's go! Stop.
Saturday. Today is Christmas Day, the 25th, and we are about to head out to the beach again to enjoy the sun because it's super sunny outside and warm. So I'm pretty excited because in Germany right now it's pretty cold. I like it here a lot, and after that we go to my boyfriend's parents' house and celebrate Christmas a little bit.
Out of here. You look a little red.
I
dude.
don't want to.
Your stomach looks red.
I was laying on it.
Sure it's not burned? Cheers.
grab the. Oh, you're gonna take it out?
Yeah. Just normal style?
I don't know. Yeah, all you need now.
Yeah, I'll take it out.
Some Culvers, some eye cream.
My queen.
Eye cream and Culver. What's going on, guys? We're here on the sound side of Navarre Beach, enjoying the beautiful atmosphere, as you can tell. All right, what do you want to say? This is your channel, Lizzie.
I don't know what to say. Get some Coors Light and let's check out the beach, I would say. Surprise!
Surprise, surprise, everybody.
You're pretty damn close.
Family. So what happened over there? Oh, what else? Anything interesting?
I made a little
Little twinkle twinkle.
sprint with Pono and then he left me alone.